Hello and welcome. Let's talk about the challenges you'll face as a farmer when growing your bell peppers. We'll start off with challenges caused by pests and diseases, then talk about challenges caused by the soil, and finally, we'll talk about other challenges that you will find generally in the farm. The first two are the most important because they are the ones that you can control as a farmer. The other challenges you can be prepared for them, but you won't have much control. So let's get into it. Number one, pests and diseases. Pests such as whiteflies, thrips, aphids, red spider mite, and fruit flies, among many, will be the biggest in terms of pests. The easiest way to tackle them is to use insecticides, but also you can use traps to catch the flying insects. When it comes to insecticides, make sure that the insecticides you are using are indicated for the kind of pest that you find in your farm. Also note that the insecticides have different modes of action. There are those that kill by means of contact, and there are those that kill when the pests consume the plant. If you already have pests in your farm, it is better to use that kill by means of contact. Make sure that you use a spreader or a sticker when spraying to make sure that the insecticide is covering all parts of the plant. When it comes to diseases, they are soil-borne and those that are transmitted by the pests. Fusarium wilt and bacterial wilt are the biggest risks. Spray with copper-based fungicides every 10 or so days, but also other insecticides work. Make sure that you alternate different fungicides and insecticides to prevent resistance. Make sure that you observe the recommended withdrawal period before you harvest your bell peppers. The best way to go about that is to harvest the mature bell peppers first, then spray. Then you will have about 7 days or so as your withdrawal period. Now let's talk about the soil-borne challenges. The biggest one will be mineral challenges. For example, if you find that your soil is deficient of minerals such as nitrogen or phosphorus, you'll find that the plants will be stunted. Some will turn color and will be purple or yellow, and others will abort their flowers. Timely application of a well-balanced NPK fertilizer and foliars will be the best way to tackle that. Finally, let's talk about general challenges. These are price fluctuations and lack of skilled labor. Make sure that you plant in the low season to ensure that you get high prices in the market and that cheap labor will be available. And having said that, in between time, until next time, remember to subscribe and have a great one. Don't forget to watch other videos and see you around.